Okay, the first thing I would do is just kind of look at it, and I know they're going to ask a question about this rational function. I'm going to factor the top. X squared comes out, and you left off with x plus 2. The bottom is an irreducible quadratic. And let's start answering the questions now. And the first question is, what's the x-intercept in point form? Well, the x-intercept, there's going to be two of those. It's going to be when x is 0, y would be 0. The other one was at minus 2 comma 0. I'm going to put a box at, commit to my answer, and let's take a look at it. And what do we got over here? We got the minus 2, 0, and we have the 0, 0. The next thing it wants to know is the y-intercept. How to get a y-intercept? You set x to be 0, and if you do that, relatively simple by the way, you just get 0, 0. Look at the key, see how we got it? Whoops, sorry about that. And we got that. All right, the next one says linear asymptotes. And looking at it, I'm going to say there's a slant asymptote. And the way I'm going to do that is by long division. Let's take a look at that. And I'll put the long division down for you. It's going to be x squared plus 1 is divided in 2. And that's going to be x cubed plus, that's a cube, plus 2x squared. Let's see, you'd get x. And x times x squared is x cubed. Then you get x times 1, which is x. I'm going to subtract, and what do you get? 2x squared minus x, repeat, what do you get there? Plus 2, and this would give you 2x squared, let's see, plus 2. And if you subtract that, what do you get? You would get minus x minus 2. Okay, so the question is, what's the slant asymptote? This is the slant asymptote. So there's only one linear asymptote, and that's going to be y equals x plus 2. All right, it's a slant asymptote. Let's look at the key, see how we did. And I'm seeing that right over here. I'm also seeing that they did the long division, and as expected, got what we got. All right, they want to use the information to graph it. Certainly graphing it, it's not bad to do. I know we have a point 0, 0. I know we have a point minus 2, 0. I know if we did sign analysis, and again, the sign analysis would be on this problem over here. If you looked at it, there's two places to look, and one is at 0, and the other is at minus 2. If you go beyond the 0, like you take a number like 3, it's going to be positive. If you took a number between minus 2 and 0, like minus 1, it's still positive. And if you took a number below minus 2, like minus 3, it would be negative. So I'm going to say over there, I know it's negative to the left. I know it's positive over here, and I know it's positive over there. I also know it's going towards the asymptote, and that much we do know. It's going towards the slant asymptote. What's a slant asymptote? It's this line over here, which is y equals x plus 2. Slope of 1, the y-intercept would be at 2. All right, so this is a rough picture. Looking at it, I mean, my machine did the rough picture. I shouldn't say it's a rough picture, it's a good picture. But your rough picture should look similar to that. Thank you.